Hello, friends. Welcome back to more trading signals for gold. This is the 15th of September. So we got gold going basically parabolic the entire day. This is very volatile, extremely volatile. Let's try to measure this. We're talking around to the highest position, we're talking nearly 1.40%. So very good day for gold. This, if I remember correctly, in the predictions, well, let's just take a look at this. The predictions actually told me there was a good chance of a very strong impulse either on the 14 or on the 15, which is today. And we got this today, so a very good day, a very good pump. Next up, we have even more volatile days, tomorrow or the 17th. I really don't have much of an idea of what's going to happen. Yellow boxes and yellow in general in my charts represent either range or volatility. It's kind of undecided. We don't really have a clear trend. Maybe if I were to say we could possibly see corrections because the days are in the red circles, so we could possibly see corrections. But the overall trend for this week is going to be a full uptrend. Okay, it could actually end up in range. It will not be as good as the first week, but this is what it's telling me right there. So if we actually take a look at this and go back, we'll see that, okay, we just saw that the 15 was a complete green day. Now let's try to do the 14. So not much happened on the 14. It was a correction, but very small, around to the lowest position, around 0.50%, so not much. And on the 12th of September, we got kind of a day in range as well. Yeah, very much in range. So let's take a look back at the prediction. Yeah, just like I told you, yellow means either range or volatility. And you can see that that was the case for the 14, especially for the 12. These days, completely in range. Okay, not much to trade actually. So better avoid these days because there's really nothing to do. So the coming days, again, like I told you, corrections possibly 16, 17. Both of these 2 days could possibly bring corrections. 18, I believe, could possibly be an uptrend, and the 19 is going to be very volatile. Okay, we have to see what happens there. But just like I told you, the overall trend for the week is full green. I mean, it could actually end up in range. That was there's the yellow outline in the ellipse, unlike the first week, which is fully green both in the inside and outside. So that's what we can expect. And if we actually take a look at the model, my prediction, I mean, my indicator right now, it's a fully, it's basically we are in an uptrend right now. So this means it's possibly going to go even higher in the coming days, maybe. We'll have to see at least for today, I mean, for tomorrow, because let's just go to an even bigger time frame. Yeah, look at this. Gold has basically went completely green since the 22 of August. Wait, is this August? Yeah. So since the 22 of August, gold has been completely going green non-stop, at a single red candle, at least on this candle pattern. So very bullish right now. You will have to take something really extreme to actually change the trend and actually go bearish. But that's what I can see for gold. So extremely good. I mean, this is extremely profitable. Longing gold from this point was such an amazing move. And that's what we can do with the weeks and the day predictions. Okay. So I really don't think I have anything else to say, guys. I mean, I just told you what's going to happen for the rest of the days in this week. I already told you what the overall trend for the week is, and I already showed you that every single indicator that I have has basically is telling me that it's fully bullish right now. Okay, let's go back to, okay, so 4 hours. Yeah, look at this, very bullish. So possibly going to start at least for the next day, also bullish. Keep on with the bullish momentum. So that's all I have for you guys. Like, share, and subscribe. Follow the work. Stay tuned for more, even more trading signals. I'll have the Telegram ready, I believe, very soon in this week or the other one. But the trading signals are coming, guys, and they're going to be very effective. So take care, and I'll see you guys next time. Take care.